Hey, Pehadil. Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Hitachi brand top loader 20 kg washing machine having error message. It is showing FL error continuously. After selecting any option, machine it's getting start, but within few minutes, it is within 2-3 minutes it's showing FL error. This is the problem. This brand wise, this one model FSP240XWV. This is 20 kg power inverter, auto self clean, top loader washing machine. This machine we have to check properly what is the exactly problem. First of all, we have to check the door switch. After that only we can troubleshoot the problem. Now we have to check what is the exactly problem. If it is door switch, no any issue. We have to check the power control box cooling fan. It's most probably its cooling fan not working. At the same time, it's showing error message FL error. Now we will go for the next step and we will check. I'm going to select only the spin cycle. I'm cancel wash cycle, also rings. Now it's showing a 6-minute spin only. We'll close the door and we'll start. Here door no issue, door lock, it's getting locked, no problem with the door lock. Now next step, we have to check only the power control box cooling fan. If it is not working at the same time, also is showing FL error. Now machine getting start. It is direct spin. It's showing yes, it again shows FL error. Now we have to remove the cover, back cover, and we will check power control box cooling fan, it is working or not. I remove the 2 screws back here, cover. Also we have to remove this hot water line, closer here. Now I can open this one. Now I can remove like that. Now I have to take it out, power control box. Here it's very easy to take it out. We can take like that. Here 2 locks. Now we will remove these screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws are here. And now we can remove like that. Now we will give power again and we will check. Now I already given power connection again. Now again I'm cancelling. I'm going to select direct spin only. Now we can check here whether it's working or not. Fan. Drain motor already start. Also fan, the motor start, but fan try to start but it's not getting start. You can see this one. This is the problem. Now see, you can see now it's again showing FL error. Now 100% problem with the fan motor only. This is BLDC fan 12 volts DC. Now we have to replace and we will check. I having same motor. This is the motor. We have to check with this motor, and I will remove this one, and I am connecting again as same, and temporary we can check. Now again I'm giving power. Now again I'm selecting direct spin, cancelling, wash and rinse. Now 6 minutes. I can increase also 9 minutes up to 9. Now again I will start. It's showing 10 minutes. Door already locked. Now we can check whether working or not continuously. Now this is with the new fan motor. Yes, it is working. Fan motor it's working continuously. No any problem. Machine also starting to spin. This type of issue coming with your washing machine, don't be a panic. We have to check properly. Some technicians, they will tell repair the control board. Here in UAE it's very expensive, this control board. Main control board is almost 750 dirhams. Simply we have to replace the fan motor. Only after that we can resolve the problem. Now you understood. This is the problem with the fan motor only. No problem, no any problem with the control board. Now what I can do, I have to replace this fan motor. These two screws I have to remove. This is already gone. This one no more working anymore. Not working anymore. Now I have to replace this one only. Now it's okay, working continuously. Now I will switch off and refix the control board again as same before. After that my job will be finished. Problem with the fan motor only. Now we can complete my job, and we will meet with another video shortly. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks again.